It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 15th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Somewhat warmer temperatures around the area today as we'll see less cloud cover. The clouds return for the weekend, though, and temperatures will hold flat. What about the weather for Thanksgiving Day, and do we have any chance of rain anytime soon? Let's talk about all of it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. A beautiful day in the valley. 68 for the high, 51 the morning low. Outside right now, here at 6:15 a.m., we've got clear skies, 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 28, humidity 49%. The winds are calm and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning all over the place thanks to some local breezes overnight. 38 at Gilbert, 39 in Chandler, Tolleson, Sun City. Meanwhile, here in Arcadia, mid-50s. It's in the mid-40s at Sky Harbor Airport. That's why this is not one of those places where you can just put one number on the overnight low. Meanwhile, around the nation, how about this? It's warmer in parts of North Dakota than it is in Texas this morning. The water vapor satellite view, you've got that deep upper low that's been slowly progressing eastward now over southern Illinois this morning. Meanwhile, a ridge building in from the west around here. The watch warning map, we've got ice storm warnings around Indianapolis over to Dayton, Ohio. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings extend from St. Louis all the way up to the northeast. So the major hubs, Boston, New York City, Philadelphia, it's going to be a big mess today and tomorrow. Dealing with that, flash flood watches parts of the Carolinas, freeze warnings in the deep south. Convective outlook with much of the nation in cool, stable air, no organized severe weather. In fact, hardly any thunder other than South Florida. And rainfall for the next 7 days from the WPC. Nothing really for us here in the valley. Not much statewide, maybe some light precipitation across the high country. And we'll get into the details of all that now as we check out the models. Let's go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging building in from the west, a dry northwesterly flow down at the surface. We'll call it mostly sunny today with high temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Tonight, some increase in clouds, lows in the 40s and low 50s. Tomorrow, we'll say partly sunny, some high clouds coming on through. Highs, again, low to mid 70s. Over the weekend, our ridge begins to get undercut by a westerly flow, so temperatures might back off a degree or two, actually. Highs staying in the low 70s and partly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday. Monday, low to mid 70s, partly sunny skies. On Tuesday, we've got this low amplitude low coming at us, and it'll be passing on through, I'd say, late Tuesday into Wednesday. And this system just doesn't have a lot of moisture with it. Not too much in the way of dynamics either. Could there be a couple of showers somewhere across the state, especially over the high country? Yes. Maybe a sprinkle here in the valley. But right now, I would just say mostly cloudy skies with this on Tuesday and high temperatures, upper 60s and low 70s. Here is Wednesday, Thanksgiving Eve, the busiest travel day of the year. Pick out your destination, where you're at, where you're going, and really no major travel trouble spots as far as I can see here. A little bit of light rain, parts of New Mexico and Texas, maybe some light snow in northern Michigan, perhaps northeast Wisconsin. And that's about it. Really, it looks like the weather is going to cooperate, at least at this point. We're still almost a week out, 6 days out, so we'll see. And then a week from today, here's Thanksgiving Day. Hard to believe it's already on the doorstep. And we've got a shortwave ridge here over the southwest, so the day looks beautiful. High temperatures would be right around seasonal averages, I'd say low to mid 70s. And a trough approaching the west coast. Friday the 23rd, that's Black Friday, a weak trough approaching us. Maybe some clouds and temperatures right around average. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Saturday the 24th, and that looks like a trough right along the Pacific coast. A westerly flow here, some high clouds around. And temperatures fairly close to average, somewhere probably between about 70 and 74. Checking those temperatures off the GFS ensemble, and again, pretty consistent. Highs mostly low to mid 70s for the next 8-9 days or so, and then we'll see a gradual cool down as you would expect late in November and as we get toward December and the start of meteorological winter. Hard to believe that that's almost upon us. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And as always, your comments, questions, suggestions, any of your feedback, always encouraged. Be safe out there. Have a tremendous Thursday. And here is your forecast.